Have you ever received a phone call that made your heart race? Imagine it's the middle of the night. Your phone rings, and the voice on the other end sounds exactly like your daughter. She's frightened, says she's been in an accident, and urgently asks for money. Most people wouldn't stop to question whether the voice was real. They would simply want to help. But what if that voice wasn't your daughter at all? What if it was created by artificial intelligence? It may sound unbelievable, but this technology already exists, and it's improving at an incredible pace. In this episode of Ask Andy AI, we're uncovering the truth about AI deepfakes, how they work, why they're becoming so convincing, and what you can do to protect yourself. Because once you understand what's possible, you'll never look at a phone call or a video the same way again. So how can a computer sound so much like a real person? The answer is surprisingly simple. Artificial intelligence doesn't memorize someone like a tape recorder. Instead, it studies patterns. It learns how a person speaks, the speed of their voice, the way they pronounce words, the pauses between sentences, even the emotion behind certain phrases. Once AI has learned those patterns, it can create entirely new sentences that the person never actually said. Think about that for a moment. This isn't playing back a recording. It's generating brand new speech that sounds incredibly convincing. And voice cloning is only one piece of the puzzle. The same technology can recreate faces, facial expressions, eye movements, even natural head movement. When those pieces are combined, the result is something called a deepfake, a video of someone appearing to say or do something that never actually happened. Here's the surprising part. Many people believe deepfakes require expensive Hollywood software. That used to be true. Today, there are AI tools that can create convincing results in just a few minutes. Some are designed for entertainment. Some are used by filmmakers. Some help businesses create training videos. But like every powerful technology, they can also be used for scams and misinformation. And that's where things become much more concerning. Because the goal isn't to create a perfect fake. It's simply to create one that's believable enough for someone to act before they stop and think. In the next chapter, you'll see why even smart people can be fooled, and why criminals are increasingly turning to AI to make their scams more convincing than ever before. So how can a computer sound exactly like someone you know? The answer is surprisingly simple. Artificial intelligence doesn't record a person's voice like a tape recorder. Instead, it learns patterns. It studies how someone speaks, their tone, rhythm, pronunciation, and even the pauses between words. Once AI understands those patterns, it can create brand new sentences the person never actually said. And voice cloning is only the beginning. The same technology can recreate faces, facial expressions, and realistic video. That's what we call a deepfake. It's not magic. It's artificial intelligence creating something that looks and sounds remarkably real. And that's why this technology has improved so quickly. Artificial intelligence learns by recognizing patterns. When it analyzes a person's voice, it isn't memorizing words. Instead, it studies how that person naturally speaks. It learns the pitch of the voice, the rhythm, the pauses, even the emotion behind certain words. The more examples it analyzes, the more accurate the results become. The same process happens with faces. AI studies facial features, expressions, eye movement, and even the smallest changes in lighting and perspective. Once it understands those patterns, it can create brand new images and videos that never actually existed. It isn't copying a recording, it's generating something entirely new. And every year, the technology becomes faster, smarter, and more convincing. But here's the part that's easy to overlook. A deepfake doesn't have to fool everyone. It only has to fool one person for a few moments. Sometimes that's all it takes. In the next chapter, we'll see how criminals are already using this technology against ordinary people, and why anyone can become a target. Now that you know how deepfakes are created, here's the part that should get everyone's attention. Criminals aren't using this technology because it's impressive. They're using it because it works. Imagine getting a phone call from your son or daughter. The voice sounds exactly like them. They're scared. They say they've been in an accident and need money immediately. Most parents wouldn't stop to question it. They would try to help. That's exactly what scammers are counting on. And that's only one example. Businesses have lost millions after employees received what they believed were phone calls from their own CEO. The technology is real. The scams are real. And they're becoming more convincing every year. Most deepfake scams don't begin with advanced technology. They begin with trust, a familiar voice, a recognizable face, or a message that creates a sense of urgency. One of the fastest growing scams targets grandparents. A phone rings late at night. The voice sounds exactly like a grandchild. They're crying. They say they've been arrested or hurt and need money immediately. In another case, employees received what sounded like a phone call from their company's CEO, instructing them to transfer money to a new account. The voice was convincing enough that millions of dollars were lost before anyone realized it was fake. Even celebrities are regularly used in deepfake videos promoting fake investments, miracle health products, and online scams. The technology isn't being used just to entertain. It's being used to manipulate emotions, create panic, and gain trust before people have time to think. And that's exactly why learning to recognize these scams has become more important than ever. So here's a question. Do you think you could spot a deepfake? A few years ago, most of us probably could. Today, it's becoming much harder. Modern AI can recreate voices, facial expressions, eye movements, and even natural pauses in conversation. Some deepfakes still have clues if you know what to look for, but others are convincing enough to fool ordinary people at first glance. That's why the safest approach isn't trying to become a deepfake detective. It's slowing down before you react. If someone asks for money, personal information, or wants you to act immediately, stop. Verify. A simple phone call to a trusted number could prevent a very expensive mistake. Deepfakes are becoming more realistic every year. But that doesn't mean they're impossible to defend against. The best protection isn't better eyesight, it's better habits. If you receive an unexpected phone call asking for money, pause. If someone creates a sense of panic or urgency, slow down. If a voice sounds familiar but something feels off, verify it using a phone number you already know. Never trust a phone call, video, or message simply because it looks or sounds real. Artificial intelligence can imitate a voice. It can imitate a face, but it can't replace good judgment. Taking just a few extra moments to verify the facts could save thousands of dollars and prevent a scam before it ever begins. Deepfakes are improving faster than most people realize. Soon, fake voices and fake videos may become so realistic that even experts will have to look twice. But that doesn't mean we should fear artificial intelligence. It means we should understand it. Question the unexpected. Verify before you trust. And never let urgency replace common sense. The more you learn about AI, the harder it becomes for someone to fool you. I'm Andy, and this is Ask Andy AI. Remember, the future belongs to people who understand it. I'll help you get there, and I will see you in the next video.